Welcome to this short yoga stretch for mornings when you feel anxious or nervous because you know your day is going to be challenging. This practice helps you ground yourself and feel more steady and focused before starting your workday. When you're ready, let's start an easy seat. Ground yourself through your sitting bones, sit nice and tall, and take some deep breaths. As you breathe in, silently count 1. As you breathe out, count 2. This helps you to interrupt racing thoughts and come back to the present moment. Then slowly start to roll your neck gently from one side to the other. Breathe in, roll from left to right. Breathe out, roll from right to left. Continue in your own pace of breathing. Then come to an end and bring your hands to your shoulders and start circling your shoulders. Inhale as you move forward. Exhale as you circle back and around. Very nice. Come into rock pose. And if it feels okay for you, tuck your toes. Then bring your hands behind your head. And as you inhale, arc your spine. As you exhale, round your back. Continue at your own natural rhythm of breathing. Come to stillness and find your way into a tabletop position. As you inhale, lift your right arm. As you exhale, thread it underneath your left arm. Then inhale, lift your arm again. Exhale, thread it through. Then come back to center. And from here, lift your left arm towards the ceiling and open your chest. Exhale, slide your arm underneath the right arm. Your gaze is following your hand. Then come back into tabletop position And let's find our way into downward facing dog. Press through your hands. Exhale, lift your hips, and find your way into down dog. And then begin to alternately pedal your feet. Then come to an end and take small steps and walk your feet forward into a forward fold. Keep your knees bent, and if it feels okay, grab the opposite elbow and let your upper body hang down. Let gravity work for you. Bring your hands back to the mat and slowly roll up to stand. Inhale, raise your arms. Your left hand holds your right wrist. Exhale, pull your right arm over your head to the left side. If you'd like to deepen the stretch, step your right foot behind your left. Release and come back to center. Then breathe in, raise your arms again. Your right hand holds your left wrist. Breathe out, pull over to the right side. Step your left foot behind your right foot if that feels right for you. Then release. Place your feet hip-width apart for more stability. Inhale, raise your arms in front of you. Exhale, sit back into your wonderful chair. Engage your core to support your lower back and bring your weight into your heels. Bring your palms together at your heart center, and on exhale, twist to the right. Come back to center. Inhale, and on exhale, twist your torso to the left. Then finally release and come back to center. We'll find our way back into forward fold, and from forward fold, step back into plank position. And from here, bring your knees down to the mat and find your way into child's pose. Take a deep breath in and exhale through your mouth with a sigh. Nice, isn't it? For a final child's pose twist, lift your head from the mat. Inhale, raise your right arm. Exhale, Spread it under your left arm with the palm facing out. Bring your right temple to the mat and enjoy this gentle spinal twist. Come back to center. Inhale, lift your left arm. As you exhale, slide your left arm underneath the right arm. Bring your left temple to the mat. And let your breath flow naturally. Feel the parts of your body resting on the ground. Slowly release and find in an upright seated position. Inhale, raise your arms and bring them to your heart center. Keep this feeling of being grounded and calm and take it with you into the day ahead of you. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste. If you enjoyed the sequence, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to not miss any new videos anymore.